ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। This is World Spine Day. This year's 2020's theme is Back to Track. What does it mean? We have lost the track because of COVID-19 corona epidemic, pandemic, because it is affecting the whole world. And that is why we are here to come back on the track. Back on the track from what? From all the damage which we are suffering, physical, mental, social and spiritual, all kinds of damages we are suffering. And that is why today we are going to discuss about World Spine Day, Back on the Track 2020. Single leading cause of disability worldwide is back pain. Most common cause for missing the work. 80% of the population will have back pain sometime in their life. And Americans pay approximately $50 billion every year to get rid of the back pain or the neck pain. It's just obvious cost. Underlying indirect costs and all these things we do not know. Today only I met a Kia Motors manager. He was suffering from back pain because of lumbar canal stenosis and had taken an off. Even though the sales of Kia Motors are going up, however, the employees are suffering because of the stress. That is why it's very important to maintain the balance, not only of our body, but also of our mind as well. Now, what is the cause for back pain? Many of the back pain are caused by kidney stones, heavy lifting, trauma, injury to the spine, poor sitting posture, frequent bending forward, especially when we are using mobiles or computers, degenerative conditions. Okay. Now, here you can see all these things. All these things are mentioned here. Spine is formed by many bones, discs and ligaments wrapping around them. Also, muscles also wrapped around them. So ligament injury, muscle spasm, disc prolapse, arthritis, poor posture, obesity and psychological stress, as I was speaking about. And kidney stones, kidney infections, blood clots and bone loss. So this is what obesity does to the spine. So upper body mass, direct compression and load on the spine, the protruding abdomen, shifting the center of gravity and leading to stress on the lower back. Okay, the facet joint gets damaged, the nerve root gets pinched at the point where it is exiting from the foramen. Okay, so here we see the modern day youth holding the backpack, not having proper posture, while reading the book, while sitting in the chair, while holding the mobile. It's not recommended to walk with your mobile in your hand and you are looking at your mobile. It's dangerous. It's life threatening. Also, sitting in the chair, this kind of posture, we all know sometimes we try to overdo the things in which there will be hyper curvature, hyperlordosis, and sometimes we'll be slouching. We have to maintain an optimal balance. We should not overdo the things. We should enjoy the posture rather than trying to become either loose or too much tight. Okay. Now here comes stilettos, and correct is to use flat chappals. Not correct is to use stilettos. It has similar effect as that of obesity because it is going to shift the center of gravity. And as you can see here, pressure increases on the forefoot by almost every time it is increasing by almost 25%. Okay, and you can see here what kind of damage it can lead to various joints in the body, not only the spine but also knees, also hips and shoulders as well. Okay, this is how we should sleep. Sleeping with pillow in between the two legs helps to avoid that tension on the lumbar spine. Okay, here it is. This pillow is very beautiful. It helps people to maintain the cervical lordosis as well. Okay, try to avoid angulation of the spine while we are sleeping. Weightlifting, keep your ego aside. Do not try to lift with the ego which we have. Many times youngsters want to show off and they lift heavy weight in front of their relatives or in front of their friends. Should not be done. If you are doing, use proper techniques to improve the lifting and not allowing the spine to be bent abnormally. I have operated many cases in which the youngsters have done this kind of mistake and the disc will pop out abruptly, and at that time there is no yoga which is possible. Coming to this gentleman, Ronnie Coleman, multiple times he has won Mr. Olympia title, world champion, famous amongst the youngsters, just like Arnold Schwarzenegger. However, his condition is critical now and he has been operated multiple times in the neck, in the back, in the shoulders, in the knees because of erosion of the joints and because of damage to the joints in such a way that they are irreparable naturally. Okay, so bodybuilding, be careful. Bodybuilding is not so great and it should be understood properly. Whether bodybuilding is recommended or not, it is a big question. However, it is a multi-billion-dollar industry, so there is a huge backup for that. Okay, smoking, once again a very huge source for revenue for the governments. However, it is one of the most damaging things which one can consume in terms of damage to the human body. Not only lungs get damaged, not only your blood vessels get damaged, but also your bones, your ligaments, your cartilage, everything gets damaged through smoking, no doubt about it. Office syndrome. Now, office syndrome is obviously, first thing is, office is something which is psychologically stressing, one. Second thing is physical stress. Sitting for long hours in the chair, in front of the computer, and your legs dangling down. All these things lead to lower back pain, joint pain, neck pain, headache, dry eyes, and vascular injuries to the eyes also. So there are many things which you can see here. Now, coming back to the corona. Corona is going on. We all are suffering. We all have a lot of stress, physical stress, mental stress, social stress, spiritual stress is also there because of corona. We all know it. And in addition to that, how it has affected our spine, that also we should understand. Excessive screen time. We all have gone into the TVs, television, and we have gone into mobile, laptops, and all these things. Lack of physical activity. Domestic violence also has increased because of that. There are a number of reasons because of which the spine is getting affected even in corona times. Now, what to do to prevent back pain or spine related issues? First of all, healthy diet, weight. Under the supervision of the healthcare professional, we should remain active. We should avoid prolonged inactivity or bed rest. We should maintain proper posture. We should use low-heeled shoes. We should not twist while lifting. We should quit smoking if we are doing. Workstation should be ergonomically correct. We should not take the things for granted. Now here is one example of the surgery which I do. This is cervical spine infection which has led to destruction of the bones here, and the patient was in a critical condition. As you can see here, he is able to lift the right hand, but left hand he is not able to lift, and you can see he is struggling a lot. Okay, struggling a lot. Now here you can see him, he is able to lift his both the hands straight up. Okay, so coming to the next, that is surgical management which I do. You had seen here I have put screws and plates and rods and all these things to correct the curvature of the spine. Through this the spinal cord goes, and you can see that the curvature is improved. Now here, non-surgical management, that is what is another expertise through which we can improve our spine. This is disc prolapse. You can see here L5S1 disc prolapse, and this lady, she's enjoying doing mudra and asana together. And that is the beauty, that she did not require any surgery. Means ideally she was supposed to undergo surgery, but she wanted yoga therapy, and through the regular practice, through scientific approach to yoga, she could improve herself. Okay, now these are the postures which we should do to improve our spine curvatures. We should use the wall. You can see here me demonstrating all these things. And then we should use sitting postures also, sleeping postures also, to passively as well as actively, without any too much of damage to the spine, without any too much of tension, further tension on the spine. We should be able to relieve the stress. We should be able to realign the spine. Okay, so these are the things which we should do. Now today was the unfortunate day in terms of World Spine Day. I had to see such kind of a patient, 20 years young man, you see here. Kyphotic curvature. This happens after 40-45 years of age. However, at 20 years age, still career also not yet started, and he is suffering. So what I am going to achieve through this talk, what I want you to understand through this talk, we all need to understand that we need to raise the awareness about various spine conditions amongst individuals, amongst communities, amongst professionals, and all the stakeholders associated with spine care. We should continue the discussion about the burden of spine disorders. You saw, no? See here, 20-year-old gentleman. I have seen 7-year-old kid having cervical spine issues because of prolonged playing on the mobile. So, to promote interdisciplinary collaborative approach to easing the global burden of the spinal disorder. We are in an era where technology is either going to make our life beautiful, or else it is going to make our life miserable as early as possible. So we have to be very, very vigilant about the use of technology. Now, this year's hashtag is back to track. How to come back on the track? Get active, move your body for at least 30 minutes of physical activity. Choose exercise you enjoy. Here, I have a dictum for all of you, that do not become over enthusiastic in the initial phase of your any new physical exercise or any new sport activity. The more excited you are in the beginning, the earlier your retirement from that sport. Okay, so develop slow interest, go slowly, so that you will be a long-term player in the sport which you are choosing. Weight bearing exercises are great for bone health. Sitting, take care of your spine if you are working from home. Don't sit for too long, and take regular breaks. Regular breaks are extremely important for our spine. Mobile use should be curtailed. Use the timers given in the mobile. Use them. Use, and you stop using mobile whenever your timer is ringing, and take a break from mobile use. Okay? Lift well. Like many people enjoy lifting weights in the gym and all these things. So yes, you can do it, but always do it in the moderation. Do not go and try to become like this Ronnie Coleman. Do not try to become like this Ronnie Coleman. Okay, it's not necessary to become like that. It's not necessary. Okay, avoid repetitive lifting. Protect your back when you're lifting. Avoid reaching or twisting. Okay, diet, extremely important. Obesity is linked to back pain. That is why diet is 80% responsible for the weight reduction, not your exercise. And exercise can be damaging if you are overdoing the things. That is why, and avoid loading your joints by adopting healthy diet. Well hydrated, because human body is 70% water, even bones are 25% water. That is why it's extremely important. Drink lots and lots of water every day. Mental health, here we come. Mental health is of paramount importance. Our overall health depends upon our mental status, which we understand daily in yoga practice. Correct? It's time to relax. We should avoid stressful situations. I'm not telling escape, avoid, and learn to understand the signs of stress, anxiety, and depression, and seek professional help if you are finding yourself in trouble. Sleeping is extremely important. 8 to 10 hours of sleep is good for health, and repeated breaks to be taken when we are doing something which is boring and which is demanding physically, mentally. Okay, that is why as a spiritual calling and as well as a calling for the society, we have started a YouTube channel and we are streaming live daily in the form of Brahma Muhurat Yoga Challenge 4:30 to 5:30, Bhagavad Gita, Asana, Pranayam and Mudras. Through that we are trying to manifest Maharshi effect. At least 1 crore people, we think that if we are able to stream live 1 crore people doing practice of yoga together early in the morning in the Brahma Muhurtam, we should be able to manifest the Maharshi effect, and through that overall suffering of the life on this planet can be reduced, the mother nature can be replenished. Corona has given a huge chance for all of us to reconsider our life goals and try to contribute positively so that we can make a beautiful world for our next generation. Thank you very much. Dhanyavada. Have a nice time on this planet. Enjoy your life, enjoy your existence, and try to seek the deeper meaning of why you are so conscious. Dhanyavad. Om Sarve Bhavantu Shukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I request all of you to share this, especially with youngsters who are too much interested in bodybuilding, who are not giving proper importance to their own physical health, to their own mental health, to their own social and spiritual calling as well. I request that if you like this video, then share it with your friends and family and share it on your social media as well, as much as possible. Thank you very much. Let all be healthy, happy and prosperous together. None of us should suffer. All of us should live in harmony and peace along with all other plants and animals. Dhanyavad.